How to fix Outlook not receiving emails on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll give you a complete walkthrough to troubleshoot and resolve issues when Outlook application on iPhone fails to receive new emails. So we're going to cover settings, sync, network, and account fixes. So let's get started. If you're encountering this issue, the problem will be with your application or the network issues associated with the application. So to fix that, what you gotta do is head over to your settings and then you gotta click on general. You gotta come down to iPhone storage and over here you gotta search for Outlook. So here is Outlook. When you click on Outlook, you'll be able to see something like this. It says offload application. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. So what you got to do is simply click on offload application. It will not delete your data. It will simply offload the application. And then when you offload the application, you'll be able to see an option appear that would say reinstall app. So simply click on reinstall and all of the data will be retrieved back and you can simply click on download and then that issue would be fixed. It will basically refresh your application with the new settings or just fix the default settings. So that's basically how you can fix Outlook not receiving emails on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.